Ria studies in 4th grade and she loves going to school. It is so much fun. To her, school means learning something new every day, meeting and playing with all her friends, and having delicious food together. It is the school's annual function day, and Ria and her friends are taking part in a fancy dress competition. They have represented the states of India that each one of them belong to. Let us see what Ria and her friends have planned for us. Jasmeet is from the state of Punjab. He wears a kurta pajama, wears a turban on his head, and loves eating sarson ka saag, makki ki roti, and lassi. He loves celebrating Lohri and Diwali with his family, and his place of worship is a Gurudwara. His mother tongue is Punjabi. Antara is from the state of West Bengal. She loves wearing a sari and speaks Bengali at home. Her favorite festival is Durga Puja and she loves eating rice, fish curry and mishti doi. Her place of worship is a temple. Venkatesh is from the state of Tamil Nadu. He loves dressing up in a dhoti with angavastram while going to the temple. His favorite food is rice with sambar and rasam. He loves celebrating Pongal with his family and speaks Tamil at home. Samantha is from the state of Goa. She speaks Konkani fluently and loves celebrating Christmas. Her favorite food includes rice with Goan fish curry and bath cake. Samantha loves wearing the Pano Bhaju dress and her place of worship is a church. Shahid is from the state of Uttar Pradesh. He is fluent in Urdu and Hindi, regularly goes to the mosque with his father to worship and celebrates Eid with his family. Shahid is a huge foodie and loves biryani, mutton curry and halim. He loves to wear a Pathani kurta with trousers. Ria is from the state of Gujarat. She loves to wear ghagra choli during her favorite festival, Navratri. She loves to eat khandvi and dhokla. She visits the temple with her parents every week and speaks Gujarati at home. So guys, we saw Ria and her friends belonging to different parts of the country, but all of them go to the same school, study and play together every day. They are diverse in terms of their cultures, spoken languages, food, festivals and religion, but are united as friends and Indians.